Hello students, I hope all are fine and are doing your studies properly. So, let's start today with a new topic, cyanobacteria. Study in detail about cyanobacteria. Students, look at the picture. This is blue-green algae, cyanobacteria, நீலப்பசும் பாசி. Bacteria, cyanobacteria differences. So bacteria, the cell wall is smaller. The cells are comparatively larger. So that is cyanobacteria is larger. Then cell wall is 1 to 2 layer. The cell wall is 4 layer. And bacteria, they may be flagella. They lack flagella, cyanobacteria. Then bacteria, there are both autotrophic and heterotrophic. So autotrophic, that is ஒளிச்சேர்க்கை, தன்னோட உணவை தானே தயாரித்துக் கொள்ளக்கூடிய கேரக்டர்ஸ் தான் autotrophic. And heterotrophic, different characters, சார்ந்து வாழக்கூடியது, ஒட்டுண்ணியா வாழக்கூடியது. So different characters. Then they are autotrophic, that is cyanobacteria. These are all in important points. Next one. This is microscopic picture. This is cyanobacteria. So distribution, pools and ponds, that is freshwater region. So example of Anabaena. Then sea water, Dermocoppus. Then damp soil, terrestrial, that is Anabaena, nostoc. Then hot springs, thermal, that is example for Crococcus. This is cyanobacteria terminology. So division, Cyanophyta, cyanobacteria formerly known as blue-green algae. Then cyano, blue, and bacteria, this is they are more closely related to prokaryotic bacteria than eukaryotic algae. So this is very important for this, the prokaryotic bacteria and then eukaryotic algae. This cyanobacteria continue. This is microscopic organisms found in marine sediments. I am already told. So these freshwater lakes and soils and live in extreme environments, chemically and temperature. For understanding the cyanobacteria characters, then live places. This is algae. This is filament blue-green algae, that is nostoc. This cyanobacteria characters, so already I told. Then distribution, the freshwater, the example of Anabaena. Then sea water, the example of Dermocoppus, and damp soil, that is Anabaena, nostoc, and hot springs, Crococcus. Cyanobacteria reproduction. So the reproduction. So the like bacteria, the cyanobacteria also reproduce asexually. So asexual method, different categories. Then budding, fission, fragmentation, the spore formation, these are all in asexual reproduction. Then the transverse binary fission, see bacteria. In addition, there are certain specialized structures such as aciners and homogonia. Then hormocysts and spores, which are partly involved in the process of reproduction. This is very important. Underline the word hormogonia, hormocysts and spores. These are all asexual reproduction characters. This picture is example for asexual reproduction. So this method is fission. So the first, the vegetative cell, அதாவது the உடல் பகுதி. Then the cell enlargement and formation of constriction. Then third step is to identical individuals. So ரெண்டு வந்து divide ஆகுது. So single cell divided. So the cyanobacteria importance. Cyanobacteria are the most successful group of microorganisms on earth. So microorganisms மிகச்சிறிய நுண்ணுயிரிகள். Cyanobacteria fulfill the vital ecological functions in the world oceans. So the important contributors to global carbon and nitrogen budget. So nitrogen it very important for this plant growth. And mycoplasma. Mycoplasma are very small, 0.1 to 0.5 micron meter. Then paleomorphic gram-negative microorganisms. This is very very important. Paleomorphic gram-negative microorganisms. They are first isolated by Knockaert and co-workers in the year 1898 from the pleural fluid of cattle affected with the bovine pneumonia. So the Mycoplasma species are the smallest free living organisms. These organisms are unique among the prokaryotes in that they lock in a cell wall. This is Mycoplasma. So the DNA contains low guanine and cytosine and contain then true bacteria. They causes disease in animals and plants. So next the lipoprotein membrane, soluble protein, then ribosomes and the soluble RNA. This is DNA material in lower side. This is Mycoplasma and cross section. This is cross section. Mycoplasma, the bacteria common case of typical pneumonia. This bacteria is unusual, that is lock of a cell wall. Mycology. So mycology அப்படினா நம்ம ஃபங்கஸ் பத்தி படிக்கிற ஒரு பிரிவு. So Greekல வந்து mucus and fungus and Candida was described early as 1839. Fungi were not studied till recently because the most infections are mild. After the bacterial infection control developed and the fungal infections become the more common. And fungi causes serious infections in immunosuppressed and those on steroid treatment. General characters of fungi. So the Sir Alexander Fleming discovery of penicillin. Penicillin also fungi. So Penicillium notatum. Then general characters of fungi. Protoplasm of hypa means cell is surrounded by rigid cell wall. The walls of hypa are reinforced by chitin. The fungal cell wall contains ergosterol rather than cholesterol. Cholesterol means the fatty acids. கொழுப்பு. The fungi produces a unique form of tubulin in connections with nuclear divisions and unique biosynthetic pathway synthesis of lysine and small nuclei with very little repetitive DNA. Then the deoxynucleic acids. Then mitosis, indirect cell divisions occur without dissolutions of nuclear membrane. Students, you observe the fungi types. So this is important one. So the different characters, different varieties. So first the Bicomycetes, lower fungi, and Ascomycetes, sac fungi, and Basidiomycetes, club fungi, and Duromycetes, fungi imperfecti. So the Bicomycetes example, Saprolegnia, then Ascomycetes, example yeast, Aspergillus, penicillin, then Basidiomycetes, the Agaricus, Polyporus, then Deuteromycetes, the example Carcospora. These are all important for this types, important. Then the different characters. Fungi, the understanding the structure of fungus. So fungus means the simplest fungus unicellular budding yeast. So unicellular means single. Then hypa, elongation of apical cell produces a tubular thread-like structure called hypa. So thread-like structure called hypa. நூல் மாதிரி இருக்கும். Then mycelium. So tangled mass of hypae is called mycelium. Fungi producing mycelia are called mold. So what is called mold? Fungi producing mycelia or mold. So or filamentous fungi. Then hypae may be septae or non-septae. This picture is fungi. Then the first point sporogonium, and second spores, then third one the food source, and fourth one hypae. These are all fungi structure. Classification of fungi. The fungi are classified to their structure and method of reproduction. So first the four main group. What are they? The common mold. So example of Zygomycota. Then sac fungi. So example Ascomycota. Then gleb fungi. So Basidiomycota. Then imperfect fungi. So Deuteromycota. These are all important for this classification. So penicillin. Penicillin is fungi. So first rule, the naturally antibiotic. Ever discovered? Great. So the group of antibiotic produced by the penicillium fungi. It is a group of closely related compound, not a single compound. Example, amoxicillin and ampicillin. These are all in antibiotic. So the around 50 drugs that are penicillins. So this is important for penicillin. This is actinomycetes or actinobacteria. So actinomycetes are also called ray fungi. So these are all microorganisms in gram positive. They do not produce an aerial mycelium. Their DNA contains high guanine and cytosine content. Example of Streptomyces. So now this is unicellular like bacteria produces mycelium which is not septate and more slender, and like bacteria they do not distinct cell wall and don't contain chitin and cellulose. Then they produce hypae and conidia, the sporangia like fungi. They contain actinomyces whose hypae undergo the segmentation resemble bacteria. So both morphologically and physiologically. Note the morphology resemble to fungi. The cellular organization, thallospore. So thallospore by budding from thallus. So this is asexual method. And arthrospores forming within the lumen of hypae can be cubical or round. It is size less than the size of hypal cell. Then the chlamydospore, the spore that aries from the thallus by bulling or swelling of the mycelium filaments. This is asexual method. So this is Deuteromycotina. Example, so Aspergillus niger, the cases black mold and common food contaminant, and Trichopteran species, the athlete food. So next the Penicillium notatum, the source of penicillium. This is fungus. So this is Deuteromycetes or fungi or imperfecti. So the fungi belonging to this group lack of sexual reproduction and are called imperfecti fungi. A large number of species live as saprophytes in soil and many are plant and animal parasites. So the example of imperfecti fungi. So Aspergillus niger, and Penicillium notatum. These are all important for this. The example for imperfecti fungi. Then other species of Penicillium. Penicillin. So production of penicillin. So penicillin was the first important commercial product produced by anaerobic and submerged fermentation. So fermentation means nodithal murayla. Then first antibiotic to have been manufactured in bulk. So at the end of the WWII, that is world level. So then penicillin was first made using the fungus Penicillium notatum. So was produced yielded the 1 mg by dm cube. So today using a different species known as Penicillium cryogenum. So different species are used in the penicillium production. So actinomycetes. Actinomycetes are specific group of bacteria. This is the resemble fungi because they are elongated cells that is branch into filamentous or hypae. Filamentous அந்த கசையிலை and hypae அந்த மைசீலியத்தோட part, அதாவது ஃபங்கையோட part தான் hypae சொல்லுவோம். Then during the process composting mainly thermophilic adapted to high temperatures. So எவ்வளோ அதிகமான வெப்பநிலையாக இருந்தாலும் அதில் வந்து ஸ்டே பண்ணக்கூடிய கேரக்டர்ஸ். ஸோ அண்ட் தெர்மோ tolerant. Actinomycetes are responsible for decomposition of organic matter at elevated to temperatures. So in the initial phase of composting, the intensive increases microbial activity. So that is microbial. The heating of the organic material, high temperatures in composting help to kill viruses. Basidiomycete. This is life cycle for the sexual reproduction. So the bestiophores, the dispersal and germination, then cell division. The 4 bestiophores are formed. So the 4. Then basidium with 4 nuclei, that is 1n. Then another one, the meiosis, haploid nucleus. Then zygote, 2n stage. Then karyogamy, another one, plastiocoff and bastia. Then another one, mitosis, the indirect cell divisions. So under the environmental conditions. Then plasmogamy, so fusion of the male and female mating types and result in formation of a budding in yeast. This is asexual method, the most common method. Under favorable condition, the yeast cell gives rise to tiny outgrowth that gradually increases in size. So the nucleus divides amitotically. So amitotically, அதாவது அந்த டைரக்டா டிவைட் ஆகுறது. Then one of which migrates into newly formed outgrowth and forms of bud. So the bud separated from the parent and becomes independent. So அந்த பேரண்ட்ஸ்லேருந்து க்ரோ ஆகக்கூடிய அந்த பட் திரும்ப இண்டிபெண்ட்டாக ஒன்று க்ரோ ஆகுது. Fission. So this is asexual method. It occurs only in some yeast cells. So yeast cell elongates and nucleus divides into 2. The 2 nucleus move apart from the separated by transverse wall. So the cell wall is formed in the middle and the yeast cell divides into 2 cells, each having a nucleus. So the fission is important for the chapter in asexual. The economic importance of fungi. So fungi is food. So உணவா நமக்கு பயன்படக்கூடிய காளான்கள் பற்றி பார்க்கலாம். So food vacuole of well known since remote past. So the fungi used as a food include morels, mushroom, truffles, buff balls and non-woody polypores. And morels, they belong in genus Morchillia and popular dish in India. So the buff balls, They are large, spherical and white, and Calvatia zincanetia. So these are edible and young. So before maturations of xylema and production of spore. These are all important for this economic importance for fungi. Asexual reproduction, this method. So the akinete and thick-walled resisting spore, and the function, the resistance to unfavorable environmental conditions. So they appear as large cells in the chain and they different than heterocyst and generally loose and buoyancy. So this structure is high and A. A means the akinete. Features: the heterocyst thick-walled cell, hollow looking, larger than vegetative cells. So vegetative cells means அதில் உடல் பகுதி செல்கள், உடல் பகுதி செல்கள் தான் vegetative cells அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவோம். Then function, the provides the anaerobic environment for nitrogen fixation. So N means nitrogen. So nitrogen for important for the plant growth. Fission, this is asexual method. For this new answer, that is the fission method. This is high tube pressure influence the elastic cell wall. So the pressure. So plus during the cytokinesis, a trilaminar septum wall forms, and during the cell separation, the pressure begins to push out and septum cell wall. Then the new ends. So the old end. Next the center point is new ends. So at the new ends, the pressure produces rounded the shape without cell wall growth. The economic importance of fungi. So now the next one, yeast cake. So the large scale production of yeast cake is called microbial farming. So these are all prepared by mixing a large number of yeast cells with some inert substance such as starch and then compressed to form cakes. So yeast cells are rich in protein and hence the yeast cakes are eaten directly as health giving food. So yeast cakes are extensively used for packing and brewing industries. So these are also used laboratories and they demonstrate the fermentation in sugary solution. So fermentation, Nodithal method. The harmful effect of fungi. So spoilage of food. Many molds such as Rhizopus, Mucor, Aspergillus, Penicillium grow on bread, jams and jellies, etc. So render them unfit for human consumption. So நம்ம வந்து food வந்து spoil பண்ணக்கூடிய fungus. Then spoilage of food. Then many household and commercial goods are attacked and destroyed by fungi. These include electric hoods and clothing and cotton, rayon are attacked by Aspergillus, Penicillium, Rhizopus, Mucor. So lichens. Lichensனா பாறைகளில் வளரக்கூடிய ஒரு சிறு செடி. So the substratum type important in identification also. The corticolous growing on bark and saxicolous growing in rock. So இந்த பாறைகளில் and lignicolous growing on wood. அந்த மரத்தில் உள்ள அந்த woodலாம் இருக்குல்ல அதில். Then terricolous and growing in soil மண்ணில். Then musicolous, then growing in moss, and lichencolous growing on other lichens. Then the conditions of the particular substratum is also factor. For example, acid rock and pork may support a different range of species than basic rock and pork. So basic இது வந்து பாறைகளில் வளரக்கூடிய ஒரு சிறு செடி. அது தவிர so lichens, so different characters எந்தெந்த பிளேசஸ்லாம் அது grow ஆகுது. Pork, leaf and rock, soil, moss, and this all already I told. Then the another example, the violet color for the example of Usne and Strigola, an example of Vercaria, an example Prioria and Cladonia. Lichen's life cycle, reproduction, that is vegetative method, asexual and sexual method. This is vegetative means the fragmentation, Isdia and Soradia. This method is vegetative. Udal மூலமா இது பண்ணக்கூடியது. Then asexual, that is Odia and Conidia and Pineospores. Then sexual by fungal partner. So sexual methodல பூஞ்சை வந்து அந்த ஃபங்கஸ் வந்து பார்ட்னராக இருக்கு. ஸோ மேல் செக்ஸ் ஆர்கன் Speromegonia or Pycenia. Then female sex organ, the Carbonia or Ascogonia. Then fruiting body, the Apothecium or Forticium. Now recall the cyanobacteria, then distribution, then actinomycetes and fungi, penicillium importance and antibiotics, and life cycle, asexual reproduction, budding, fission, then reproduction, then mycelium characters, then lichen's importance, lichen uses, lichen importance and other uses. Then finally the homework is make 25 short question answer. And the students, I hope you received the guide from our school. If not, contact the school office and buy the guide immediately. So it is